The Alterum Elite rear utility floor mat is for those of you that have a 1987 and up Wrangler that are looking for a floor mat that you can throw in the back seat area of your Jeep to offer some protection to your carpeting, as well as changing up the look of your Jeep and getting just a couple more Jeep logos in your Wrangler. This of course is going to install very easily, right? It's just a floor mat, you pretty much just throw it in place. Definitely 1 out of 3 wrench installation, only 5 minutes, and we'll talk more about that in just a second. Now, floor mats in general are going to be pretty pricey. A lot of the high-end premium floor mats are custom molded to the interior of your Jeep. They're going to have sides that come up on them to trap any wet messes. They are going to fit very, very well. They're not going to move around because they have some sort of retention, whether it be rubber nibs on the bottom or where they clip into that factory carpeting so they don't slide around. This floor mat is not going to have any of that. This is just going to be something that's going to offer some light protection, and it does have that Jeep logo on it. So if you're looking for a premium floor mat, we have a couple of brands that make some really high quality stuff. If you're looking for some less expensive protection, this is where you're gonna wanna look. So this is a rubber floor mat. Again, it's not custom fit to your Jeep, but it is the proper size to be put in that backseat area of your Wrangler. It's gonna help to protect your carpeting a little bit. It does have some high spots and some low spots, some ribbing in it, so if you get any sort of dirt or maybe just a little bit of water on it, it will trap that and hold it in place. But again, it's not going to have some nice high sides molded into it, like some of those premium mats. Because this is a nice rubber material, you're gonna be able to very easily remove it from the Jeep, wash it off with some soap and water, and throw it right back in, and it'll be looking like new again. Now this does have the Jeep logo on it, which I know a lot of you guys are into. In general, when the Jeep logo is printed on something, you can expect to pay a bit of a premium because it does have that licensed Jeep logo on it. This is still going to be a very inexpensive floor mat, even though it has the logo. So for install, like I said, 1 out of 3 wrenches, 5 minutes or less. You really just throw these in place in front of the rear seats. So this is going to be a less expensive floor mat than a lot of those premium options out there. This comes in at $16. These are sold individually, so for a pair at $32. You're still well under the price of some of those premium floor mats. If you are looking for one of those premium options, like I said before, we do have some options. Take a look at WeatherTech or take a look at Husky, but if you're looking for something a little less expensive but still get some decent protection, this is going to be a much less expensive option. So if you're looking for an inexpensive floor mat with the Jeep logo on it, I definitely recommend taking a look at this one, and you can find it right here at extremeterrain.com.